Welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to be making a new book under the Citrus book series. This is called the Voyage to Remember. This is a nautical theme Citrus book. Here are the final pieces that are included in this kit. I have printed all of these pages on 170 GSM paper, and I've also printed on the back of all of these pages. As I mentioned, the theme for this kit is a nautical theme, and it has like lots of ships, boats, anchors, maps, and compasses, ropes, and such. As always, let's start prepping. I'm just going to go ahead and fold along these lines, and this window, I'm just going to cut that rectangle window part within the second line, and all of these areas I'm just going to go ahead and fold them. Here I'm just going ahead and folding along the lines using my bone folder. And I have cut the window over here. So this is the rectangle window and this is the window page. Now I want to add a transparent sheet behind it over here. I'm just adding this transparent sheet using tape. So we are done adding the transparent sheet on this window page. Now I am going to start assembling. So this is the main panel. I have printed on the back also. So this is the inside of the main panel. And I have these top and bottom flaps. What I want to do is add these top and bottom flaps to the inside of the panel B. Or it's more so like the back of the book. I'm starting from the back so that the assembly will be easy now. I'm just using some old book pages on the back so that the glue doesn't get on the background, whatever you see. So I just got that as a kind of like, it's like a wallpaper for background images and table lays that you can use. I just got it from Amazon, and I stuck that to I had like a canvas, so I just stuck that to a canvas. I don't want to get glue on that, so I'm just using this old book pages to stick them. So here I have these page 1. So this is the page 1 and this is the window page. This window page, I will glue that to the back of this the whatever ship illustration that you saw. I will be gluing that to that page like this, and I will make it as a top pocket. So I'll just add glue to the 3 sides of that old window page and glue it as a top pocket. I also have this pocket flap that I want to add between these 2 pages. So what I want to do is glue this pocket flap between the 2 pages. I'm using my punching machine and making a semicircle punch over here so that it looks like a pocket. This is an optional step. So here I am adding glue to the two sides and sticking it so that it makes a top pocket. There you go, we have this pocket flap. Now this one I'm just going to go ahead and glue it to the window page like so. So I have the pocket flap and the window page over here. Now this window page, I'm going to glue it to the back of that ship illustration page as a top pocket. So I'm going to add glue just to the three sides and glue it together. So this is the window page and the page 1 that I am gluing it together. I'm doing this after I have added the pocket flap. I'm just using my bone folder to make sure everything is stuck together and flattening everything out. So we have these pages over here, almost like the pages for this book is ready. So now I have the panel A and panel B. Panel B, I have glued these two flaps. This as a whole, using that page, the page 1, I'm just going to glue it flat on the panel B. I'm just going ahead and sticking the entire whatever we made now to the panel B, to the inside of the panel B. So that's the page 1 that you see. So I'm just folding everything, making sure everything fits inside. So we have these pages and a pocket flap and this whole window page with a top pocket and these top and bottom flaps also. So very simple. Let's add some pockets over here. I've got this envelope kind of a pocket here. It has this blank space behind. I'm going to use that blank space and glue it to the first page that you see. So this is what I want to do. I'm just going to glue it and I'm going to make it as a top pocket. So I'm just adding glue to the three sides and I'm gluing it to this page so that I have like a top pocket, and once I open the envelope I will add another pocket inside over here. So after sorting out all of the pockets, I am going to add this one particular one over here. Now moving on to the back of the book. Here I want to add these two pockets over here. Either you can add them as separate pockets or you can layer them. I'm just going to layer them and add them together like on top of each other. ephemeras that I have, I'm going to add these as pockets on the flaps. Right on the front of this book, I'm going to add these two ephemeras as pockets. I'm just curving out one edge of these cards so that I can glue them on top of each other. I have this lighthouse kind of an ephemera over here. I want to add this as a tab. So I'm just using this, I'm just curving the corners, just the two corners, and I will glue it on top of this envelope flap. So there you go, we have added the pockets and also used some of the ephemeras as pockets also. For decoration, I've just added a few labels. You can just use them to decorate the citrus book. I'm using this label Voyage to remember right on the front of this citrus book, and the other labels I'll just go ahead and decorate them. Here I'm just adding all the tags and the ephemera into the pockets and just arranging them. wanted to add a few eyelets to a few of these tags so that especially the main long tag that you see at the back, so that I can add like a rope and it will be easy to pull out from the pocket page that you saw. Here is the final reveal of this kit. So this is the A Voyage to Remember. This is included in the citrus book series. I will include the link in the description. I will also add other citrus books that are included in the shop. You can just hop onto the shop and find other kits in the same series. So this is a nautical themed citrus book. I think it's perfect for the summer projects. It's got a vintage look and also like a very elegant ornamental look also. You can check out the other nautical themed and summer themed kits that are available, like tags, books, folios, everything that are available in the shop. You can join my newsletter to get updates and special discount codes that are available only if you join the newsletter. You can follow me on Instagram also. I will include all of those links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment on what you liked about this kit. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you soon. Bye bye.